Good morning. ICBS 2021 International Conference on Biosciences. This is Vijesh Kumar. I am going to present my abstract. The title is Vegetation Appraisal and Effect of Mining Activities on the Plant Communities of Rowdy Hills. Biodiversity. Biodiversity is a variety of all kind of life residing on the earth. It is therefore the diversity within species, between species and among ecosystems. Biodiversity includes all species of plants, animals and everything that is alive on our planet. Why biodiversity is important? Because it provides ecosystem services. Ecosystem services are all the multiple benefits which humans get from natural world. They are of four types: supporting, provisioning, regulating and cultural. Ecosystems support biodiversity habitat. They form soil, they provide water, food, medicines and raw material. They regulate climate, control flood, clean water and pollination services. In cultural services, they provide aesthetics, spirituality, peace of mind, physical, emotional and educational services. What we have given to the Mother Earth? The answer is nothing. Biodiversity has been declining around the globe, particularly through human activities. The rate of biodiversity decline raised up to 10% in a decade. Human being, for leading his luxurious life, has altered the Earth's surface and disturbed the nature by declining biodiversity. Major threats to the biodiversity. First major threat to the biodiversity is habitat loss, which is due to the overpopulation all over the world. Second is overusage of natural resources. Non-native or invasive species create more problem, reduce natural flora and compete for resources. Climate change and pollution are also threatening the biodiversity. According to CBD's 6th National Report 2019, same 5 major threats are reported to the Pakistan's biodiversity. About 1.1 billion poor people depend upon nature and natural resources like medicinal plants, wood, fuel, etc. Unfortunately, 60% ecosystems are destroyed by human being itself throughout the world. Study site. Study site is known as Rowdy Hills, which lies at 27 degree 41 north latitude and 58 degree 56 east longitude. It is 40 kilometers long and 16 kilometers wide. The height of hills ranges between 40 to 50 meters. Average temperature remains 7 to 46 degrees Celsius in January and June. These hills are xeric with harsh climatic conditions, supporting very little and sparse vegetation which depends only on rainfall. Study design. 20 sites were selected for sampling the vegetation. 10 quadrats per site were laid. First, a large quadrat of 30 to 30 meters square were laid, and 2 small quadrats of 2 to 2 meters square were placed at opposite corners. Same was done with all sites. Plants were collected with proper way. Plants were identified with the help of available literature and online floras. Correct names of plants were also confirmed from International Plant Name Index and Tropicos, which is online flora of Pakistan generated by Missouri Botanical Garden. Whole collected flora was pressed, dried and mounted on standard herbarium sheets. All collected plants were deposited at CBC, Center for Biodiversity and Conservation, for future studies and references. Species richness. Study recorded 66 species of 56 genera and 31 families. List of recorded plants. List continues. 66 species. Floristic composition was dominated by family Fabaceae, followed by Poaceae, Amaranthacea and Boraginaceae. Species richness of Fowleria. Species richness was measured by generating species accumulation curves by using software Estimates. Y-axis shows species richness and x-axis shows number of quadrats. Same was done with disturbed and natural sites. Separately, results were extrapolated up to 150 quadrats for each. Black dots point out recorded species. We observed 31 species from natural sites and 43 species from disturbed sites, while other estimators estimated slightly higher number of species. Rowdy Hills is mainly a dry habitat. Due to its only dependence of rainwater, it supports very sparse and low diversity across the hilly areas. Shannon, Wiener, and Simpson Index revealed a higher diversity due to evenness of species of the community. The vegetation was dominated by annual and perennial herbs, which makes a 63% contribution, while others, including shrubs, 21%. Dicotyledons were dominant over monocotyledons. In life form, phanerophytes and chemephytes were dominant with 30 and 29% share respectively, followed by therophytes. The dominant life forms tell us about climatic conditions of the studied area. The lifespan of recorded flora was analyzed and results shown that 61% plants were perennial. Similarity index. Similarity indices revealed a less than 10% similarity at the sites. The level of similarity between the natural and disturbed sites was not found to be significantly different. The analysis of distribution of species in natural and disturbed sites revealed that both habitats share about 30% observed species. Prosopis gilliflora was the only species that has established more frequently on both natural and disturbed sites. Phytosociological analysis revealed Fabaceae as a predominant family with high relative cover and relative frequency. Fabaceae was predominant family with high density cover frequency, therefore it was recorded with higher importance value index. In relative density of species, Prosopis gilliflora was found dominant among all, followed by Arva javanica and Ziziphus numularia. Among the species Prosopis gilliflora, Arva javanica and Ziziphus numularia were dominant species with higher importance value index due to higher relative frequency, ground cover and density. The study area has a very topography which has resulted into establishment of microhabitats. Gravelly hill sand habitat is most common at Rowdy Hills, which contains gravel and hill sand soil with flat dunes and crest type of land. According to IUCN Red List 2020, of the recorded flora, 11 species were least concern and rest of the species were in not evaluated category. By reviewing literature, 2 species endemic to Pakistan, namely Blephorus syndica and Ticomilla undulata, are assessed as threatened species from the study site. This is the pictorial view of Blephorus syndica, and this is the Ticomilla undulata. And 3 types of anthropogenic activities were witnessed from a study site: excavation or mining, overgrazing and chopping. Thank you all.